Good morning, happy student. Today I will teach a lesson about my school. There are and there is. Let's listen carefully to what I read in detail, because at the end of this video, listen there will be practice. Question, alright? Let's begin. Ya, hari ini kita belajar tentang my school, tapi pembahasannya tentang there are sama there is. What is in my school? Di sana ada classroom, library, computer lab, canteen, garden, and playground. Tapi background kayaknya untuk anak-anak TK aja ya. Seperti yang Ibu sebutkan tadi, kita belajar there is. There is itu we use there is for one thing. There is a library in my school. Example, there is a library in my school. Jadi kalau menggunakan there is berarti itu jumlahnya adalah 1. There itu artinya ada, oke? Dan selanjutnya adalah there are. There are itu sama ya, ada juga tapi banyak. We use there are for 2 or more things. There are classroom in my school. Contohnya there are classroom in my school. Situ kelasnya ada beberapa kelas katanya, dia menggunakan there are. Let's recap. There is for one, there is an apple. Jadi 1 apel itu menggunakan there is. Kalau there are for 2 or more, there are 3 apples. Jadi 3 apples atau 1 lebih maksudnya. There are is mobil, there are is car. Berarti mobilnya ada lebih dari 1. My school. My school is a big and clean. There is a library in my school. There are many classrooms. There is a computer lab. There are teachers in my school. There is a canteen. There is a playground. I love my school.
Hello, kids! Let's learn something easy today. There is one thing. There are many things. When we see one, we say, there is. When we see many, we say, there are. Look around the classroom. There _one teacher. Can you answer? There _one teacher?
There is one teacher.
There is one teacher.
Yes. Great. Now, there _many students?
There are many students.
Excellent. Look at the classroom. There _one board? There is one board.
There is or there are. Book. There is a book.
Books. There are some books.
Flower. There is one flower.
Flowers. There are 2 flowers.
Water. There is some water.
Water. There is a lot of water.
Person. There is a person in the room.
People. There are many people in the room.
There is versus there are. Jadi simpel aja triknya kalau mau tahu there are sama there is dipakai untuk satu benda atau singular. There are dipakai untuk lebih dari satu benda atau plural. Contoh kalimatnya, there is a cat on the roof. Cuma satu kucing yang ada di atas genteng atau singular. There are 2 books on the table, atau 2 buku yang ada di meja. Tips gampangnya, kalau lu ngomongin jumlah yang gak pasti tapi lebih dari 100, selalu pakai there are. Nah, coba dicoba ya. Latihan soal kali ini mengisi bagian yang hilang atau fill in the blanks with there is or there are. Di situ ada there is, tadi sudah dijelaskan apa itu sama there are. Soal pertama, bla 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 atau fill in the blanks, a library in my school. Jadi soal pertama, perpustakaan itu ada di dalam sekolah. Ada berapa perpustakaan? Jawabannya diisi ya, there is atau there are. Number 2, bla 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 many classroom. Jadi di sekolah itu ada beberapa kelas. Itu masuk there is atau there are. Number 3, a computer lab. Itu ada 1 atau 2. Number 4, teacher is in my school. Guru di sekolah itu ada berapa? Ada 1 atau ada banyak? Kalau banyak itu jawabannya there are atau there is. Nama 5, a canteen. Canteen itu 1 atau 2 atau 3. Jawabannya diisi there is atau there are. Contoh soalnya lagi, there is a library in my school. Nah, nomor 2, there are many classroom. Nomor 3, there is a computer lab. There are a teacher. There is a playground. Dari pernyataan 3 soal ini, jawabannya benar atau salah. There is a library in my school. Menurut kamu apakah perpustakaan itu ada banyak atau ada 1? Jawabannya, jika there is berarti jawabannya adalah true atau benar. Nomor 2, there are many classroom. Apakah di classroom di sana di sekolah ada banyak? Ada lebih dari 1? Jawabannya adalah there are. Benar, true. Number 3, there is a playground. Playgroundnya ada banyak atau ada 1? Kalau ada banyak berarti there are. Kalau ada 1 itu there is. Berarti jawabannya adalah true. Pada pelajaran selanjutnya, Ibu akan membahas English education. Biar Ibu spill sedikit pada minggu depan. English is an integral part of the global education system, opening doors to learning opportunities and academic advancement. Many prestigious universities offer courses and programming in English to students from all over the world. In fact, English language proficiency is often a requirement for international scholarships and study abroad program. Jadi belajar bahasa Inggris itu sangat penting ya, karena di luar negeri bahasa Inggris adalah bahasa internasional yang wajib dipelajari untuk menghubungkan gaya bahasa kita atau percakapan kita sehari-hari untuk di luar negeri ya. Kalau di tempat kita bahasa Indonesia bahasa penghubung kita. Nanti kita akan belajar English in Education, di mana kita mengetahui kosakatanya, vocabulary, terus bagaimana cara pengucapannya. Oke.